Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how fast Voyager 1 is traveling. We'll explore its current velocity and what that means for its journey beyond our solar system. This incredible probe continues to send back data, pushing the boundaries of human exploration. Its speed is a testament to engineering and our desire to understand the universe around us. Let's dive into the specifics of its remarkable journey. Voyager 1's speed is truly remarkable. It's currently zipping through space at roughly 38,000 miles per hour, or about 17 kilometers every second. To put that into perspective, it travels over 320 million miles annually. This constant, rapid movement allows it to explore regions no other spacecraft has reached, continuously expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Several factors influenced Voyager 1's speed. Early in its mission, gravity assists from Jupiter and Saturn provided significant boosts, propelling it to its current velocity. As it moves further from the sun's gravitational pull slightly decelerates it. However, once in interstellar space, its speed remains largely consistent as there's very little to slow it down. Voyager 1 is now an incredible 15 billion miles away from Earth. It took over 35 years for the probe to officially cross into interstellar space, a monumental achievement. Because of this vast distance, radio signals from Voyager 1 take more than 22 hours to travel back to us. This delay highlights the immense scale of its journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.